Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series videos of manufacturing technology. So today we are going to discuss about manufacturing technology and the machines used for manufacturing technology. So in the manufacturing technology there are a lot of manufacturing process are there. Among that, machining is the important process. So apart from machining we have a casting process, welding process, forging process, etc. So in that, this process is a material removal process. So we have a raw material that is called a ingot that is fixed in the machine, and we are removing the material of the excess material of the workpiece from layer by layer by using a sharp hardest tool. So that is called a cutting tool. So with the help of tool we are removing the excess material with the help of machine. So that machine is called a material removal machine. So here we have live demonstration about the machine. So this machine is called a lathe. So the lathe is called the mother of all machines. So why it is called a mother of all machines in the sense? Because this is the first machine invented for the material removal process. So here we have to know the important parts of the machine. So let us start from the bottom. So this bottom is, we are having two portions, this is called a legs. So legs is used to withstand the entire weight of the machine. So it is usually erected in the shop floor by means of bed bolt. So above the leg we have a machine bed. So this is called a machine bed. It is used to collect the chips while we are removing the excess material, it forms chips. So chips usually collected, and we are supplying coolant. That coolant is also collected in the bed. So the entire set of the machine is assembled in the bed. So in the above the bed we have one portion. This left hand side portion is called a headstock. So this is head for the machine. So here all driving mechanisms are there. So this machine is coupled with a 2.5 HP electric motor. It is driven by means of belt drive. So the motor is connected with the belt, and the belt which gives the motion for the mechanism. Okay. So here why it is various steps are there means we need to change the speed. So depending upon the material we need to change the speed. So the machining speed depends on the material. For changing the speed we need to shift the belt. Okay. And this is called a chuck. So usually in the chuck we have, it is used to hold the workpiece. In the chuck we have a jaws. So jaws is the in our hand we have a fingers, it is used to grasp and pick and place any object. So likewise it is used to hold the object securely. So here we are mounting the workpiece here. Usually we are giving power to the workpiece, not in what you call the tool. Okay, and this is called a tailstock, and in the chuck we are mounting the workpiece, this is called a live center, and this is called a dead center. Why it is a dead center? We are not giving any motion. The motor power is given only here. This is called a live center, and this is called a tool post, which is used to mount the tool. So we are having a hardest sharp edge tool. It is mounted. When the tool is in contact with the workpiece, since the tool is harder than the workpiece, it removes the excess material from the workpiece. So to move the tool we have what you call carriage. So this is called the carriage. So this carriage is used to move the tool to nearer to the chuck. Okay, so with the help of this, by rotating the hand wheel we can move. And this is called a cross slide, which provides y-directional movement. So it provides x-directional movement. Okay, and this is the tailstock. It is used to hold the lengthy workpieces. Okay, and we have this is the locking mechanism. Once it is fixed we can lock. When you want to move, when we have to release the lock, and if you rotate this, it will propagate. Okay, at the bottom we have power connections, everything. So this is the brief about the lathe machine. normally cylindrical workpieces can be machined. Cylindrical, axis symmetrical, like shaft, pulley, gear, gear type of profiles, then brake drum. So these are all axis cylindrical objects. So those objects can be easily machined. Cylindrical objects can be machined with the help of lathe. So this is the simple introduction about the lathe. So if you have any questions or queries, you can ask now.
Sir, what are the uses of tailstock?
So the tailstock, it is used for two purposes. One is it is used to hold the lengthy workpiece. So if the workpiece length is very small, we can mount the workpiece in the chuck itself. But if it is very length means, if you are not providing proper support, it tends to bend. So for that we need to provide support for the another end. So here it acts as a support for the lengthy workpiece. Then the second purpose, the center may be removed and we can add the drill bit. It is used to produce drilling. So drilling operations can also be performed in the lathe.
This is the only type of chuck, or else there is any type of chuck and number of chucks?
Yes, this is the typical chuck. It is called a 3-jaw chuck. It is called a self-centered chuck. When we rotate any one of the jaw, all the remaining 2 jaws can be moved together. So it is called a self-centering chuck. If the workpiece is complex, we have a 4-jaw chuck also. It has 4 jaws. Independently, we need to move all the jaws, and centering can be done in the lathe.
What are the types of tailstock?
Driving mechanism. You are asking about the driving mechanism. So for this machine, it is coupled with the belt drive, and some other machines we have a gears also. So we can shift the gears so that we can get the different types of speeds. Gearings, usually one gear is small gear and another gear is larger gear. Gear is called a pinion and larger gear is called a wheel. By giving proper motion, we can get different speeds. 12 speed, 18 speeds are available. So here we have 8-speed gearbox. So this is the 8-speed lathe. We can change 8 speeds. Okay. So that's all about the brief introduction of the lathe. In the furthermore classes, we can discuss the remaining things. So thanks.
Thank you.